She's your queen to be, a queen to be forever, a queen who'll do whatever His Highness desires. She's your queen to be, a vision of perfection, to be used at your discretion, waiting only for your direction. Your queen to be. I've got the power.
May I talk to you alone for a moment, please?
Excuse us.
For a moment.
Ever since I was born, I've been trained to serve you.
Yes, I know this. But I would like to know about you. What do you like to do?
Whatever you like.
What kind of music do you like?
Whatever kind of music you like.
I know what I like. And I know you know what I like, but you're trained to know what I like. But I would like to know what you like. For instance, do you have a favorite food?
Yes.
Good! What is your favorite food?
Whatever food you like.
Are you saying that no matter what I tell you to do, you will do?
Yes, Your Highness.
Anything I say, you do?
Yes, Your Highness.
Bark like a dog. A big dog. Hop on one leg.
Divine, and my name is Divine, and I'm from here in the Pangasinan, and I live Pangasinan, my father, my mother, and my sister, but my cousin is, that's my close cousin, and after that, my cousin, she's invite me in drinking outside, and she's not so much drinking so much, and after that she's raped me. And I tried to tell her, my mother, my father, but she's never believe me. And I will try to my brother, sister, my young sister, but nothing believe me. That's why I try to go into my friends or something, my close friends. Nothing believe me. She's raped my cousin. And I come here in Angeles City. I try to work here in Angeles City, and I have one customer. She always take care of me. After that, she's not paying me. That's why she moved me in outside in the door. I feel hurt. That's why. And I try to work in the bar. And after that, I'm pregnant, and my baby is 6 years old. And the father is German guy, never support my baby. That's why I'm very sad, because my baby just only me. I'm gonna take care. That's why I need to work so much, because I'm very sad my story in my place. I don't like to come back in my family because my cousin, she raped me. I hate that because my cousin, sobra, I hurt my feeling because my family should not listen me. That's why I come here in Angeles City. I feel hurt. That's why I work in the bar, but nothing. I looking to my father, my baby, that I cannot look because I forget the name and the last name. That's why I know the face only. I'm very sad because just only me. I don't have family to take care with me, and I don't have family to, hey, how are you, my baby? Nothing, because it's not good. My young sister is she have family also. I don't know she's believe me or not, but my family, she don't believe me. My cousin, she raped me. I feel sad. I want to stay here only in Angeles City together my baby. I work only, and my baby, she's take care of my baby, just only friends. I'm very sad because I take care of my baby only friends only, not family. I'm very sad. That's why my baby, she told me she want to meet in my mother, father, sister, but I cannot because my family not good. She's not listening with me. I feel sad. That's why I stay here in Angeles City. I work in the bar. I work in the bar in the Wagon Street. That's it. I try to look into customer, something, give me the money. I buy tomorrow, gonna buy something, food from my baby, and my baby going to school. My baby 6 years old. She's a grade 1. Just only me, I support my baby. That's why I need to work so much. I work in the bar before, and after that, I have customer to bar find always me. The one bar, she's good, bar find me the first, and after that, the second bar find with me, and after that, it's not good. She's a bad man because she's my chains clothes. She never give me. She want to go home like a towel only. It's not good. That's why I'm very sad, and little bit I'm scared to customer because like that she never give me the change clothes. She want to three boom boom after I go home. I said no, I cannot because my pussy is very hurt now. That's why I need to go home, just only one boom boom. I said, but she never believed me. And my change clothes, she never give me. That's why I come down in the downstairs, and I call the bodyguard. That's why she give me the change clothes. She's a not good customer, bad customer. I have a freelance in the customer also. In the hotel in the friendship. But she's not good also. She's I come hotel, and after that she moved me in the door, and I said, why you moved me? Don't push me. I said, why? I push you because you not pay me. Why you push me? I said, but I pay you after boom boom and whatever I want. Do you job? But nothing. You not give me the good service. That's why I push you in the door. I said, no, it's not good because I'm a girl. You are the man. That's why don't push me because it's not allowed to push me, the girl. I said, that's why I go home in my place. I take care of my baby. I sleep there. I have one boyfriend before, but it's not good. She's not good also because I'm scared because she's taking the drugs. And I have one baby, maybe she's raped my baby. I have experienced my family to rape me. That's why I don't like to, my baby, she raped me. That's why I break. And now, finally, I have one boyfriend. She's not boyfriend, she's a lady boy. She's a tomboy, lesbian. I have lesbian, but she's good. She's take care of my baby. She's take care with me, and she's a good, like she's not man, but she's a good, very good boyfriend. She's the best, the licky licky. Thank you. My lesbian is, that's my boyfriend, 6 years. So long, that's why she's a good lesbian. She's the best. I don't like boy, but I like lady lesbian because she's a good, take care with me, take care of my baby. That's why I want to lesbian, not boy. That's why, but my boyfriend lesbian, she's good for me. She's always good. I go to freelance, it's okay for her. That's why she's a good. But you are going to freelance, you always take care. She told me already like that. She's always to tell me. But thank you so much because she's take care of me. She's understand me. My lesbian, she's listening with me, take care with me, not my family. She's not listening with me. She's not take care of me. That's why my lesbian is good, the best boyfriend. Thank you.
Retumba, retumba.